Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will learn how to run Windows on your Mac operating system using Parallel Desktop 16 for Mac operating system. It's very simple to access Windows operating system in your MacBook or iOS devices. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open any types of browser and just type here Parallel Desktop 16 and then enter. So this URL is displayed here. You just simply click on that particular URL. I am putting this link in video description as well. You just simply download this one. You can buy as a licensed version of the particular software like Parallel Desktop 16 for Mac and run Windows on Mac. You just simply download this trial version, and then after finish the download, you just follow the instruction like see here. Your desktop look like this. I just simply download this one and wait couple of seconds, and then after finish the download, you just simply follow the instruction like this. After finish the download, you click the twice, add your password here, and initializing starting. The Parallel Desktop is start, and then it's needed to download Windows operating system. Otherwise, this software automatically download Windows 10 in this using this platform like this way. After finish this download, this software are configured automatically itself and download the Windows 10 and the initialize and then install this operating system in your Mac related operating system, and this installation is finished like this way. To finish, otherwise you can connect pen drive as a bootable pen drive in your Mac operating system and then install the operating system. No need to Windows operating system. You can install as a Ubuntu operating system, other different operating system. You can install the particular software, install your, and then after you install your favorite application on that particular platform. But you won't need to Mac another operating system, so you need to download Parallel Desktop 16 software and then you install the operating system. It's amazing software. I'm putting this link in video description. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.